Yes. What is that? Huh? What is that? Is that a camera? Is that another cat looking at you? Is that another cat looking at you? Oh, isn't that cute? Say, I'm a polydactyl, a Hemingway, and I'm up for adoption. Yes, you are. I'm a female. See how I got 6 claws on each paw? Yes, you do. And I'm $150 because I'm a purebred. I'm pure. Yes. Yep, she is. She's pure Hemingway. And she is, look at them beautiful blue eyes. She's got some beautiful blue eyes. I mean, this kitty has some beautiful blue eyes. Yes. Yes. Look at them beautiful blue eyes.